What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over how to transition from a paper trading account to a live money trading account. Check it out. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this video here today. And in this video, we're going to talk about what I said. We're going to talk about how to transition from a paper trading account to a live money trading account. And we're going to try to make this video as short as possible so that it's just jam-packed with good, solid information that you can utilize when you start transitioning from your paper trading account to your live day trading account. Now, before we move any further, you know what time it is. Smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and remember to hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload these kinds of videos. If you find value in these videos, if you watch my channel and you want to help it out, then do that, right? Smash the like button for me on every single video. Make sure to comment in the comment section below. Let me know what video you want me to work on next, or if you just want to say hi, I'll say hi right back to you. And also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't, right? When you do all of that, it really helps out tremendously because it feeds the YouTube algorithm, and that sucker's super hungry, and that's the only way to get these channels to move on up. So if you like certain channels out there, right, that's how you help them out, including mine. So make sure you take advantage of that and help me out. Also, links in the description section. Remember, you can check those out anytime. It has the Webull. You download the app, fund the account with $100. You get 2 free stocks, and they can be valued between $1,200 to $1,400. And you also have First Trade there, where you just open up an account. It only takes about 5 minutes, and you get 1 free stock. And I've had people get some really good stocks with them. So if you're one of them, drop it in the comment section below. Let me know what stocks you've gotten from Webull and First Trade from my links there. It'd be nice to know what you're getting. I know that I've told you guys I've gotten like 3 or 4 really good ones. I had BYND. I got that one time. I got NIO lately, which is pretty good because it's like $14, $15 stock. I also had Uber. Uber was a real good one. So, you know, you want to definitely make sure you take advantage of that because you might pick up one of those. I've heard of people getting Apple. I haven't, maybe one day. So I have heard of people getting Apple. So that's a real nice payday. So we'll go ahead and make sure you take advantage of that. Also, links in the description to the trade idea scanners. The trade idea scanners I use every single day to find stocks to trade. You know, my gap scanners, high day momentum scanners, stuff like that. There's so many scanners that are available through Trade Ideas that you can customize yourself or use their pre-made packages, which are amazing in itself. 15% off coupon code and my link in the description section. Now, what we're going to talk about today is, like I said, we're going to talk about how to transition from a paper trading account to a live money trading account. Now, with paper trading, you have 2 schools of thought. You have people who, like me, say you absolutely need to start with that when you start trading. And then you have people who say there's no emotions in paper trading accounts, therefore they are useless. I find that to be extremely silly, just to be nice, you know, use good words, because that is ridiculous. While there might not be the same emotions that there would be when you're trading a live account, you know, with actual money in it, there's still going to be some emotions in there if you put them in there. You see, if you just start trading in a paper account and treat it like a video game, it's nothing. It's irrelevant. You can market order in all the Tesla calls in the world you want to, and you'll either be broke or a millionaire within that paper trading account. Obviously, it'll be fake money because it's a paper trading account. It's a simulator. You use it online. It has live data, okay? So it's almost identical to trading, you know, real time, because you are trading real time. However, it's a simulator. It's a video game in essence. But if you treat it as that, you're not going to get anything out of it. Paper trading accounts are great for beginner traders to get used to the mechanics of trading and test out different strategies. And even seasoned traders can use a paper trading account when they transition from a different brokerage, from an old brokerage to a new one, and they are unfamiliar with that software. Now, not all brokers out there offer paper trading accounts or simulators. Charles Schwab, that I currently use, does not offer that. So if you're using Street Smart's Edge, there is no paper trading with Street Smart's Edge. So there's, you know, that in that case. But if you go something like Lightspeed or Speed Trader or anything that uses a program similar to DAS, okay, they offer paper trading accounts that you can practice in and get familiar with the software before you begin to use it, which is always recommended. That way you know what buttons are what and how to program your hotkeys and make sure that they work properly. Now, how you transition, let's say you've been trading in a paper account, okay, or in a simulator account, you've been trading in that, and you've treated it like if it's real, okay, and you've respected it, and you've actually stuck to your plan, and now you've proven to yourself that you are a profitable trader in that account. Me, I would recommend always at least 3 months of trading in a paper account where you prove that you're profitable. Now, that could take a year. I've worked with people who have been in a paper trading account for an entire year, and they finally find themselves being profitable, and they're looking to transition to a live trading account. Now, if you were trading, let's just use numbers here, all right? Make it to where you use your own numbers. But let's say you were using the paper trading account and you were trading $5,000 positions, okay? When you go off to your live account, I would say don't go off and start using $5,000 positions immediately. So let's say you trade small caps and you'd like to trade $5 stocks, and in the paper trading account you were trading 1,000 shares of $5 stocks. You were doing well with it. Now when you transition over to a live money account, I would always suggest not to start off trading 1,000 shares of those $5 stocks you like to trade. Why? Because it's a different animal. You have your mechanics down, you have your fundamentals down, but you might not have the emotions of trading your live money down. Meaning you jump into a position, okay, with $5,000, and all of a sudden you see you're down $250 and you start to get nervous. And you stop out because you're like, oh, I don't like that, because now my small account that I started, because that's all I could start with, of $3,000 is down to $2,750. And I don't want to be down to $2,500, so I'm going to just stop out here, only to see the stock just, rally right after you stop out of it. Why? Why did that happen? Because of the emotions. You're not used to using your live money in a trade, and now you're scared, and you didn't stick to the plan that you had prior, the plan that would have worked for you in the simulator. You didn't trade that plan, and now you start to go from being a profitable trader in a simulator to a not profitable trader in a live money account, and nothing's changed. You still want to trade your same plans that would have been profitable. The only thing that's changed is that you're using actual money and your emotions cannot handle it. This happened to me years back when I started trading live, that exact same thing. And the fix was I had to drop my share size tremendously for almost 2 years, okay? And little by little, go up from there. So instead of trading $5,000 positions, you might want to trade $500 positions. So if you're going to trade those $5 stocks, instead of buying 1,000 shares of them, you're going to want to probably trade 100 shares, right? So that your emotions can handle seeing the red in your unrealized P&L or in your realized P&L. I, for one, say don't look at your unrealized P&L. Trade the plan that you normally would trade. So in that aspect there, you drop your share size. By dropping your share size, you take that emotion out of the equation and you allow yourself to let your plan work itself out. You're not going to be right 100% of the time. No trader out there and no investor out there is right 100% of the time, right? This is why we trade with plans, stop losses, and specific entries and exits. So now by bringing your share size down tremendously like that, you're going to allow yourself to let the plan work. You're not looking to build an account here. You're looking to build your confidence. So now you're going to let these trades work themselves out. And as time progresses, as time passes and you feel more confident, you're going to increase that share size little by little. So maybe in 3 to 6 months, you'll go from 100 shares to 250 shares or 200 shares or 150 shares, whatever your emotional state allows you to trade properly, right? And then when you prove to yourself that you're consistently profitable with that share size, you're going to increase your share size again. A little bit, right? It depends. If last time you increased your share size by 50 shares and you went from 100 to 150, now you'll probably increase it to 50. Again, make it 200 shares. And then after a month or two at this point, maybe your confidence is growing so rapidly that you'll be able to increase it to 250. And before you know it, you'll be trading 300 share size, and then 400, and then 500. And you'll be at 50% of your desired share positions, that you were trading in your simulator in your live account, and now you're actually making some money. And little by little, you're going to continue increasing that, but you won't increase it unless you prove to yourself that you have the emotional control and consistently profitable. That's the only way that you'll be able to take advantage of leveraging your share size and going to the share sizes you used to trade and trained with. Because now, not only is your technical analysis on point, your emotional control, which is the hardest part of trading, is in control. And you're never going to have that fully 100% in control, but at least now you know how to react to certain circumstances and know that you can make it back. Let me know what you think and what you want the next video to be. Remember to subscribe to the channel. I hope this was helpful. Smash that like button for me, and I'll catch you on the next one.